Hey everyone! Connecting your Forex.com account to TradingView allows you to trade major currency pairs with institutional-grade tools directly on your charts. In 2026, the integration is seamless, but there is one critical account requirement you need to know before you start. Step 1. Triggering the connection. We are starting on the main chart view. We're heading to the top right corner of the screen. We do this to bypass the general menus and open the specific panel designed for trade execution. Click the white Trade button. This opens the broker options. By starting here, TradingView knows you want to go straight from searching to trading. Step 2. Finding Forex.com. Now we are in the brokerage directory. We're heading to the search bar within this sidebar. We do this to pull the specific Forex.com API bridge into your workspace. Type Forex.com into the search field. Select the official Forex.com logo. Step 3. Secure credential entry. We are heading to the authorization portal. We do this to log in securely using your broker's encrypted gateway. Enter your Forex.com username and password. Click Connect. The pop-up window will disappear and the sidebar will transform from a Connect screen into a live order ticket specifically formatted for Forex pairs. Step 4. Execution and account sync. We are finishing at the bottom dashboard. We do this to verify that every cent in your account is correctly reflected in TradingView. In the top left ticket, simply click Market, set your units, and hit Buy or Sell. The trade executes instantly at the broker level. Look at the bottom panel of your chart. It is now your command center. You will see your account balance, equity, and open P&L, or profit and loss, updating every single tick. This data is perfectly synchronized with your Forex.com account. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.